It's me. Hi. I'm the problem, it's me. But seriously, hi guys, and I'm starting to vlog today after many months. And you know what my inspiration is? My inspiration is the rain and the beautiful weather that we are getting to experience after almost 3 to 4 months now. It was disgustingly hot. इवन मतलब मैं ऑफिस भी जा रही हूँ तो हम सबका जो मेन डिस्कशन पॉइंट था वाज आई थिंक इट माइट रेन नेक्स्ट वीक एज पर द फोरकास्ट. इस दिन तो होना चाहिए रेन, तो हम लोग बस रेन का वेट कर रहे थे एंड इट्स सो ब्यूटिफुल एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट इट्स सो नाइस. आई फिल्म्ड one full-fledged YouTube video. That's why I look like this with the red lip and everything. But now I'm craving some nice cold coffee, so let's go make it. By the way guys, if you're wondering what's on my lip, I have the Insight No Smudge lip color, their new launch. This is the outer carton and this is in the shade 24 Barbados. Beautiful. I don't know why on camera it looks more orange, but in reality it's a beautiful blue toned red. I'm clearly not a red person, but this one I'm really feeling, so I'm just gonna keep it on. And the formula is so lightweight, like I cannot even feel it. I'm gonna add some condensed milk and then some milk. I have my cold coffee. I know it's a lot, but I don't care. And I cannot find my metal straw. I swear Guddu loses everything, so I'm gonna use her plastic straw. Whatever. Let's do a little sippy test. Not bad. It's not overly sweet. Generally I add a little bit of condensed milk or फिर थोड़ा सा sugar, but today I skipped sugar and this is quite nice. The condensed milk idea I actually got from Malvika Satlani. She was talking about adding condensed milk to her cold coffees on her stories. So I bought one, and from last 3-4 days I've been adding condensed milk, and I think it genuinely makes a difference. Like, it just becomes so much more smoother. I don't know how, but it just, and tastes better, I think. I don't know. On a lovely Saturday we have come to see another house. ये सिलसिला हमारा almost 6 months से जारी है. The locality. Same. House was nice. Green की तरह से बना हुआ था. But then जो 1800 स्क्वायर फीट है वो फिनिश होते होते 2 साल लग जाएगा. और लोकेशन was not good. बहुत कचरा, कूड़ा, everything outside. थोड़ा secluded भी लगा. It didn't feel very safe. Hey guys, back home, filmed a couple of videos, which, I mean, one of those was these beautiful shimmer eyeshadow from this brand called Glitter Galaxy Quartz Volume 2 palette. I will post a video. It's not done yet. My eyes started to water after swatching all of the shades. But oh my god, such stunning, unbelievable kind of shades. So excited. Now I'm planning on making some pasta. I'm actually in my cooking era right now. I've been really enjoying cooking and really getting better at it. So let's go see if I'm able to pull this off. I'm making white sauce pasta because that's what Nikhil loves. I love red sauce pasta, but I'm gonna first try the white sauce one because I think that is, I don't know, a little bit more tricky. I'm not sure. I think red sauce is pretty easy. So yes, let's go make it. Okay, I'm boiling water, salt और थोड़ा सा oil add किया है in this vessel. I'm not sure बहुत बड़ा है या छोटा है, but yeah, after I think it's already done, so I'm gonna add some pasta into it. Add maybe some more. So the concept is butter और मैदा का ratio has to be the same. अब उतना ही मैदा डालना है. ओके, अभी इसको पकाना है until it becomes दरदरा, like sand texture basically. ओके, मेरा sand texture तो बन नहीं रहा है, इसका बस कलर चेंज हो रहा है. I'm not sure, जल रहा है शायद. What did I do wrong? Okay, ये जल रहा है. This is burning. मैं इसको बंद करने वाली हूँ. अब इसमें 3 बैचेस में दूध डालना है. इसे हलवे वाली फीलिंग आ रही है, जैसे मैं हलवा बना रही हूँ. Whatever. Red chili flakes. Oregano. थोड़ा सा salt. थोड़ा सा चीज. ओह, स्मेल तो आ गई है अच्छी अच्छी. नाइस. सी ओह यस, काली मिर्च पाउडर डालना है. काली मिर्च. Okay, after the entire mess, my pasta is ready. Actually, it was not that difficult. बहुत easily बन गया. मुझे वो बस मिक्स और नो लंप का टेंशन था, बट आई थिंक आई डिड अ गुड जॉब. टेस्ट भी अच्छा कर रहा है. लेट्स सी इफ निखिल लाइक्स दिस. टुडे यू आर लकी टू बी हैविंग मेरे हाथ का वाइट सॉस पास्ता. तुम्हारे लिए एक्स्ट्रा चीज डाला है ऊपर से.
This is pasta.
कैमरा के लिए तो नहीं बोल रहे हो ना?
नहीं सुनतो.
सही में अच्छा लगा. एक बार में 3 उठा के खा रहे हो तो मतलब अच्छा ही बना होगा. निखिल जिस स्पीड से खा रहा है, आई थिंक बहुत पसंद आया उसको. थोड़ा और सॉसी बना सकती हूँ नेक्स्ट टाइम. दूध ज़्यादा डालना था मुझे, बट बहुत अच्छा बना है. ऑल्सो आई थिंक चीज़ ऊपर से डालने की वजह से ना वो थोड़ा स्टिकी हो गया. आई कैन नॉट बिलीव दिस वाज बहुत सिंपल, मतलब टू सिंपल. आफ्टर माई सक्सेसफुल अटेम्प्ट एट वाइट सॉस पास्ता, मम्मी कहाँ गई? हाय. मम्मी मैं निखिल आ गए हैं थोड़ी सी शॉपिंग करने, बिकॉज देयर इज़ अ एनिवर्सरी इन आवर फैमिली, जो कि ट्यूसडे है, मंडे मम्मी? ट्यूसडे है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स टाइम नहीं मिलेगा बिकॉज अभी वीकेंड है, और कल हमारा समथिंग रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट जो हमें करना है. सो वी आर रैपिंग दैट अप टुडे. वैसे बहुत लेट हो चुका है. इट्स ऑलरेडी 8:15 आई थिंक, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स 9:30 तक शॉप्स बंद हो जाना शुरू हो जाते हैं. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट वी कैन फाइंड. वी आर एट मैक्स और कलेक्शन इज क्वाइट नाइस. ये तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है वैसे. अगर ऐसा देना है तो ये भी दे सकते हैं, मे बी गर्मी के लिए, बट इसका दुपट्टा और गैंजा है. दिस इज़ वॉट आई हैव टेकन फॉर गिफ्टिंग. आई थिंक बहुत ही ट्रेंडी डिज़ाइन है, अच्छा लगेगा.
ये कैसा है?
ये ऐसे दिखाना, आई डोंट नो, फिट अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. उससे अच्छा फिट इसका अच्छा है. और भी उस तरफ देख लेता है ना. रेड ये बहुत सिंपल हो जाएगा फॉर गिफ्टिंग पर्पस, बट इट्स वेरी प्रिटी. Hi guys, I am going to get my nails done today. I'm wearing this beautiful dress जो मैंने बहुत टाइम से सेव करके रखा था, and Nikhil is accompanying me today. How do you feel?
I get to ride my bike.
Hi guys, I got my nails done. I got red French tip done. By the way, this is not extension. These are my own nails and gel polish. I think these look quite nice and fancy. मुझे ये last time कराना था, but मैंने बहुत छोटा trim कर लिया था, तो it wasn't possible. So this time I knew कि इस बार तो मैं French tip करा के रहूँगी. So yep, and now we are here at, also we shopped a little bit for Nikhil. Max में we saw like a couple of new designs, तो वहाँ से we picked up few t-shirts, few shirts and a cargo, no, parachute pant, which I think is gonna look really good on him. Now we just finished our dinner at Riders Adda, Zudio के opposite है in HSR. Quite nice, बहुत ही अच्छा था. The food was really good. It really hit the spot. Really like the cold coffee, so I've ordered one more. We'll wrap that up and leave. But it was a successful outing. My nails are done, shopping हो गई, and dinner was good. So it was a good Sunday. Oh my god, there is no point styling your hair these days. Few minutes without fan while filming and your hair is a mess already. By the way, I just finished filming 2 shorts video, reels, shorts, whatever. And a quick update, you guys. I've ordered or upgraded my camera. I've not received it yet, but I've ordered Sony ZV-E10, which is going to give me 4K, or which is going to record in 4K. I have like small tiny baby hair, which I'm happy about, but it's so annoying. Like, what is this, you know? So yeah, I'm really excited to receive it. I will of course, you know, unbox it with you guys and everything. But I came on here to show you or talk to you about something really nice and delicious. So I ordered a few things from Blinkit and I received this for free. I am sweating. There's no power right now, excuse me for that, but this is from Eat Better Co. This is their Better Laddus hazelnut chocolate, no added sugar, made with dates, hazelnut, almonds, cocoa, chia seeds, vanilla extract and sea salt. And this retails for 69 rupees. You get 3 laddus and this is quite nice. So this is the size of the laddu you get. By the way, it is Saturday today and I plan on going to Miniso because yesterday I organized my chest of drawers right here. The contents of it anyways, the tabletop right now is a little bit messy. I just filmed and I realized that my skincare drawer is just, it's bonkers, it's going crazy. So I need to go get those boxes for organization. Last time I bought mine from Miniso, the purple ones, really good quality, and now my makeup drawer is really organized. So I plan on going to Miniso, picking up those. Hey guys, I changed and now I'm getting ready to head to the Miniso store. Also change my lip color because Nikhil and I plan on having, you know, going to a cafe and having our dinner there. Lately for me, weekends have been all about going out, and by that I don't mean like spending tons and tons of money on expensive cafes or resto bars. Just going out, you know, having having even street food for that matter. Just stepping out of the house, feeling fresh and rejuvenated for the upcoming week. So I've been really into going out lately. This is, by the way, my sister's. I realized I don't have cute t-shirts. I have a lot of shirts, basically office wear kind of shirts. I don't have a lot of t-shirts. So I borrowed this from her and I never returned, of course. And then I'm wearing the only pair of skinny jeans that I have. Guys, we had such a hearty meal. The People Pet Cafe at HSR, you have to come here. They make such good, delicious, fresh food. So flavorful. Maza aa gaya kha ke. And I've also done some shopping, Miniso shopping like I mentioned. मैं घर जाके दिखाऊंगी आपको. So these are the boxes I picked up from Miniso. It's for 170 rupees each. And let me now show you my skincare drawer. It's pretty organized. So I have this one here, this and these two. So I have like 5 of them which I've used up for my skincare drawer. So over here I have my daily essential sunscreen, moisturizer, serum and all of that. Here I have some masks, some underarm roll-ons, and here I have some backup of Korean skincare, my everyday lip tints, so all the juicy glossy lip tints that I use on a daily basis, some of my current fragrances, and again some more mists and bottles over here, and my lipstick. I think it's pretty organized right now. That's it for this vlog, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and you can follow me on Instagram right over here, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.